good morning. I hope you have a wonderful start to your day. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell me what you also want to see. Ooh, please. Look at my hair. Now you see me. Now you don't. I'm going to get a head spa, hopefully, and maybe this is the last time I'll cut my hair. Why do you cut your hair? Many people ask, why do you cut your hair? It's just hair, and many people cut their hair for reasons they wish not to share. I'm gonna cut. Well, usually I cut my hair myself. Most times I cut my hair myself, and not very often I go to a barber. The last barber I went to, I wasn't satisfied with the results, so I am changing my barber, and hopefully it's the last time and last haircut I get. Wish me luck. Woo! New barber shop. Well, for now, let's see. Kel.
¿Te ofrezco algo de beber? ¿Te ofrezco algo de beber?
¿Qué tienes?
Café, té, agua,
Pienso que usted tiene champaña.
cerveza, whisky.
Ok, ¿qué té tienes?
Tengo de frutos del bosque, manzana canela.
Manzana canela.
Manzana canela.
Sí.
Azúcar esplenda.
Sin azúcar.
Sin azúcar.
Sí.
Se lo doy en un momento.
Sí, gracias. Hola, ¿cuál es su nombre?
Andrea, ¿y el tuyo?
Teresa.
Un gusto, Teresa.
Teresa Mendoza, Reina del Sur. Teresa Mendoza, Reina del Sur es mi nombre.
Me gusta tu tono de piel, tienes una piel hermosa.
Gracias. ¿Y usted también?
Muchísimas gracias, es mutuo, qué lindo.
yo quiero todos los días. Ooh, that was a good haircut. Feels nice. And that little massage was a nice touch. Hey, guess what? I am in the kitchen and I am gonna be preparing a quick lunch dinner. I came out from the barber, took the dogs for a walk, came back home, slept, woke up from my siesta, and I'm gonna be preparing. It's now 4:52. I'm hungry. Mango is working, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be preparing. Jeez, I have his secrets, spice, and I'm gonna do things a bit different here since I'm preparing this. And eggs, I'm gonna do that differently. He likes it pouch. I'm gonna boil it, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Well, I'm going to put water on this. I like to boil the eggs and have the water come to temperature. It's not putting it in boiling water. So I'm gonna fill this up with water. Eggs in cold water, and then this pot, let it come to temperature, and then I'm gonna put the butter in to saute the garlic and onion. I need to get some time, add some time to this as well, and then yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do my quick soup. The husband calls his style of cooking intuition cooking because he doesn't follow a recipe, whereby I kind of sort of follow a recipe. Always have my aromatics and go from there and build on the flavor. So the pot is hot. I'm gonna go in with the butter. That's melting quite quickly. And then we are gonna go in with our garlic and onion. Garlic and onion, toss. I love garlic a lot, and onions. So this is like 6 cloves of garlic, and with the 6 cloves of garlic I had them crushed. I think this is too high, so I bring the flame down a little bit. We don't want what's in the pot to burn, and I'm going to show you what we have going on in the pot. So this is what we have going on. We don't want anything to burn, as I said earlier. So we're just going to go quick toss. The eggs are there. Toss. I'm going to go ahead and add the thyme. And then toss, let everybody get to know each other. And then I'm gonna go in with the veggies. Go in the fridge, I rinse them, and let them fall. Let this chill for on low heat. So now I'm gonna go in and add the water. for about 3 minutes. Once that started boil, then I'm going to go and add this, the secret sauce, and maybe chili. Maybe chili. So the pot is coming to a simmer, so I'm going to go ahead and add the secret sauce, well, the secret spice, and we're gonna let this bubble for 3 minutes. Taste if we need to add salt. And I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna do cold and then crack it open. Oopsie. Chili, 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 chili. Sriracha because it's not spiced. I hope that's enough spice. Too much. My specialty. I want it so. There it is. I didn't put any salt, but let's see. So I packed this fully. So now I'm gonna this is what we have. This is the finished product. I'm eating alone because I can. But I want to say thank you for watching. Stay positive, think in possibilities, and see you